Since 2000, we've been running these challenges all over the country. Our aim is to inspire the next generation to go into some sort of STEM career down the track. Our activities include lots of building things like they're constructing a bridge or an earthquake-proof tower, or maybe they're sending secret codes. We bring them in the room, we chuck them in the deep end, and they just have to problem solve their way out. All up, we see about 30,000 students. We see 120 different Rotary clubs getting involved and 30 universities.
We did the tower building challenge, so we've got to build a tower and test how much weight it could hold.
Depending on how many weights you get is how many points you get. Seeing everyone having fun and having fun myself and being able to learn new things.
Albury Wodonga is very lucky to have opportunities like this for children to get them more interested in science. I think this is a wonderful day. Our children were very much looking forward to it. We signed them up just so they can get the experience and also be able to learn that, you know, there are going to be successes and there's also going to be challenges, but that is okay. You just need to keep trying, and that's what science is all about.
Basically, we had to make a turbine that would turn the most to create the most energy in 20 seconds. There was a lot of experimentation, but in the end, we found that our two designs work best together.